Hey everybody, it's Erin. So I have exciting news, and I've kind of hinted on this a little bit before, but I'm heading to the really big convention, which is Creativation, hosted by AFCI, and it used to be called CHA. I've actually been invited to be a VIP creator, meaning that I have access to some things in the show to show all of you content because I have a large, amazing subscriber that love to see all these crafty things. So because of you guys, I get to get the sneak peeks on some extra stuff. Don't you love my new hair? Had to point that out. I got a new do. So some of the amazing companies that are going to be there. I have a little list here I'm going to run off, but basically think of anybody who's in the crafting industry. Now this could be paper crafts, this could be mixed media crafts, this could be yarn, this could be sewing, this could be food crafts like cupcake art and stuff like that, into fine art. Everything that you would want to sit down and play with and do is gonna be there. Just pretty darn awesome. So alt new. I did tell somebody I wasn't sure if Heartfelt Creations is going to be there, but I looked on the list and they are listed. All the companies I work with are going to be there. Campus Core, Tattered Angels, Seven Gypsies, Renia, Etchall. Not some of the companies I work with are not going to be there. For instance, Helmar, they're not going to be there. But I've got my list right here, so I'm looking down. Die Cuts with a View is going to be there. Bow Bunny, Bella Boulevard, Graphic 45, Prima. So if you have a specific company that you would love for me to go and video in a booth form and do kind of a quickie overview. If you guys have seen some of my previous videos, you can take a look. I have a list of all the video that I did at AFCI last year. Then you kind of get an idea. I'll go in, I'll ask whoever is in charge, or it could be a person. I did a Finnabar video last year. I did Ken Oliver. I did, lots of different people. Amy Tan was there, Amy Tangerine, Hattie Swap. So I will go in and I will try and get the latest and greatest, the new products they're coming out with, all the cool new things, and get as many videos. Some of them I'm going to be doing live from the floor, and it could be setup days. It could be days the video is going. My goal is to give you one video a day that's going to be live from the show floor, and then I'm going to record a ton of video that I will come home and edit and post as often as I can, pretty much once a day. I've got a few projects that I'm going to throw in there as well. So, but for the next month, there's going to be content. I mean, I will probably come home with a good 40 videos, which is awesome. So I'd love your feedback on what companies you would want me to go see. That's the bottom line. For anybody who is going to the show, if you happen to be going to the show, come by and see me because I have some little buttons I'm going to be passing out. So come by and see me and say, I saw your video. Can I get a button? And I got a button for you. So make sure you come by and say hi. I'll be walking around. I'm hanging out in the Renia booth. I'm also working with Crafters Workshop. I've got a demo. Below is going to be my schedule of where I'm at and helping at what times. It could be classes, it could be show floors. I also going to be working with Etchall with one of their classes. I'm going to be in the Canvas Core booth, and I'm also going to be in the Artisan Fair. So all the designers who are a designer category, or a section of the conference and of this organization, I'm able to do a make and take. So I've got a demo, more of a demo, not make and take, going there. And then I have a roundtable conference. I'm going to talk about YouTube because of you amazing people that watch my channel. I've learned so much, and I want to pass on the information who anybody else who would want to do this can do it. It's fun and I love it. So I want to give my love to everybody and show them how much and how fun this is to do this YouTube thing with you guys. So just leave a comment on what companies you want me to go check out, what videos you want, people that you want me to try and interview. If you've heard of a new thing coming in, if you've heard of a new product that you want me to go check out, leave that comment and I'm going to put it on my list. It's so much easier for me to go through than just blindly picking, or I have my wish lists, but maybe you guys would like to see something different than what's on my wish list, and I can do a combination of the two. So leave your comments, let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.